interrupted with the Npppluginlist.dll blocking Notepad++ workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we begin our NPP plugin list walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Npp plugin list, the Notepad++ plugin list manager. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of downloading and verifying the plugin repository manifest for the Notepad++ plugin admin tool. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. It's important to note that Npppluginlist.dll is installed as part of Notepad++ and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of Notepad++ from the official source will restore the correct version of Npp plugin list to your PC. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Npp plugin list file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Please use caution. Replacing Npppluginlist.dll manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official Diagnostic tool below provides informational support for Npp plugin list. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Npp plugin list or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.